Welcome to your Cikumas teacher account. We are happy to take you through the main features that Cikumas offers to better engage your students, all the while making sure that you are spending less time on administrative tasks. Getting started is fast and easy and will save you lots of time in the long run. Every time you log into your account, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will have a short overview of pending assignments, giving you the most important information about your classes at a glance. This bar displays the average completion rate of the class, and by hovering over your students, you can check their progress in real time and move straight to our grading interface. The calendar displays assignments in blue, your to-dos in red, and if you choose to, your imported Google Calendar appointments will appear in green. To link your Google Calendar, simply press on the Google Calendar Settings button. Link and sign up with the Google account that you would like to connect to. Below, you'll also find a more detailed to-do list, as well as a placeholder for a cool new secure school chats feature coming soon. The sidebar will always appear on the left side. This allows for navigation between the dashboard, My Library, My Classes, My Calendar. It splits Cikumas into 4 easy-to-understand pages, with the dashboard giving you a quick overview of how things are going. My Library working like your assignment repository and lesson preparation space. My Classes being your learning management system, and My Calendar helping you organize your classes. Please press Next to continue with the tutorial.